to ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up a set of forks from a 2023 Kawasaki KX450 SR. These forks were revalved to the JBI Suspension Pro Fork spec. These Showa 49mm forks feature Kashima coated upper tubes. The compression clicker cap has the Showa logo laser engraved in it, and it also features different valving than the traditional KX450 model. In the JBI Pro Fork kit, it is our revalve along with some additional hard part changes, such as the JBI subvalve, the piece in red. Also included is the JBI volume spacer. And this customer also elected for the JBI Pro Perch. The mid valve is updated to the JBI leaf spring style. This is a very common style mid valve in many A-kit forks. It's featured in all the Yamaha YZF models and was also in the forks of the previous year 2022 Kawasaki 450 SR model that featured the KYB 48mm forks instead of the usual Showa 49mm forks. So these already great forks get a host of revalve and hardware upgrades to make them even better. It is also available as a DIY kit from ridejbi.com.